Assalamu alaikum students. I am Rimsha Anwar and my presentation topic is substitution reactions. See table of contents, what is substitution reactions, their examples, conditions and further their types. First of all, what is substitution reaction? Substitution reactions are those reactions in which the functional group of one chemical compound is substituted by another group. See their example for better understanding that how groups or atoms replaced in a compound. You can see here when methyl chloride react with hydroxyl ion will replace on the place of chlorine and methanol will formed. Next, when ethanol react with hydrogen iodide, iodoethane will formed with water. These are also examples of substitution reactions. Next, more types. There are two main types of substitution reactions: nucleophilic and electrophilic reactions. Two type of reactions and they having. What is nucleophile? Nucleophiles are those species which are negatively charged and have capacity to donate a pair of electrons. On the other hand, electrophiles are those species which are positively charged or neutral and have tendency to accept a pair of electrons. Two type of nucleophilic substitution reactions are there: SN1 and SN2 reactions. How we will contrast them? A basic contrast in SN1 and SN2 reactions is that SN1 is a double step reaction while SN2 is a single type of reaction. SN1 reaction having a basic character that there is a carbocation is formed. It's a carbocation which is highly unstable and short living state. First chlorine or living group left and it's a slow step, means rate determined step, while the next step is when nucleophile bromine attack on carbocation, a product we gain, it's a fast step. Okay, for further discussion, it's a basic topic that nucleophile doesn't matter what is the strength of nucleophile, is it strong or not. It's not need for SN1 reactions. Nucleophile should be strong for SN2 types of reactions, because in this type of reaction proceed on the strength of nucleophile. Strong nucleophile will proceed SN2 types of reactions. When nucleophile attack on electrophile carbon, living group will left and a product we will gain. You can see here. Okay, next, our last topic is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a basic type of nucleophilic substitutions where water acts as a both nucleophile and a solvent molecule. This is a because of hydrolysis mechanism can be any nucleophile substitution. It can be SN1, SN2, many more. There are two main types of hydrolysis reactions: acidic hydrolysis and the basic hydrolysis. For example, we see here the example of nucleophilic substitution hydrolysis in alkyl bromide. When alkyl bromide react with hydroxyl ion, bromine is a living group, it will left and we will gain alkyl hydroxyl as a product. The second example of ester, hydrolysis of ester. When ester react with any acid in the presence of water, we gain acetic acid and methanol, while on the other hand, when ester react with any base in the presence of water, we gain acetate ion. You can see here it's acetate ion and further is methanol. One last but not least, it's hydrolysis of nitriles. A detailed and brief note on the hydrolysis of nitriles in the presence of water. For further explanation, you can see here that how nitrile react with nucleophilic and protonation will occur, how amide is formed in the presence of water and acid base. It's such an amazing reaction. Thank you so much guys for your time. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.